This is exactly how you're going to earn money just by simply typing words. This is definitely one of the simplest and easiest ways to make money online as a complete beginner. Before we get into this, please click on the subscribe button and the like button and make sure you smash that notification bell so you are notified every time we upload a new video teaching you about the latest ways of making money online. Now let's get into it. Like I said, in this video, I'm going to teach you exactly how you can get paid for simply just typing words while you sip your coffee and relax at home. This strategy that I'm going to teach you in today's video will allow you to earn up to $300 per hour simply by typing words. But you have to make sure that you're doing this correctly by following the steps that I'm going to show you here in this video. And if you don't feel like typing, you can just copy and paste this if you'd like. Continue watching so you learn exactly how you can do it. Also, this website's registration is 100% free. There is no upfront cost or investment, and you need zero writing experience and zero technical skills. You can do this on any device of yours, whether it's a smartphone or a computer, and you can use either an Android or iOS device depending on which one you own. This method of typing and earning money is also available worldwide, meaning anyone from any country can do this. But before I begin, comment down below, I am from blank, aka the country you're from, and then I'll know exactly where you're from. This way, I'll know where people are watching from and create videos for people in those particular countries. So make sure to type in the name of your country in the comments down below. Also, I'll be providing additional bonus tips that will let you earn 2 times or even 3 times more money than the average person. So, be sure to watch this entire video all the way until the end so you can earn as much money as possible. Okay, let's get back to the video. Step number 1 is to go to this site called typingtest.com. This is where you can take a 60-second typing test. So the first thing you're going to do is click on Typing Tests on the left-hand side. I will take you to this page where you can check your typing skills in a minute. You can also test yourself and longer durations. You can do 1 minute up to 10 minutes per test. And then below that, you can choose between text, sentences, or words. This is very important, but for this, we want you to select the 1-minute test and medium text options. So what's great about this is that you're able to do this seamlessly on your smartphone, whether it's an iOS or Android device, it doesn't matter. So to begin typing, all you have to do is click on the button that says Start Test. There's a timer right here for exactly 1 minute. This will measure your typing speed for this test. So as an example, when you start typing the words, the timer will start counting down immediately. After the timer hits 0, it'll show you your typing speed. If you'd like to have a faster typing score, this website offers typing courses to help you type faster. All you need to do is click on Typing Courses on the left-hand side. And I'd like to show you this because later on in this video, I'll be showing you websites that you can use where you will make money simply by typing. And on these websites, you will be able to earn more money the faster you can type. Okay, so now I will show you these websites where you'll be able to make some money just by typing. So here we have this website called rev.com. And as we can see right here, it shows the human transcription option where you will get paid $1.50 per minute. So we can check out this online calculator to calculate how much you can make. So we have $1.25 per minute. So if we want to figure out how much that is per hour, we do 1.25 times 60, which equals $75. You can make $75 an hour doing this option. So if you select this option and decide to type for 3 hours straight, you can make $225 in 3 hours. If you type for 5 hours, you can make $375 in 5 hours. As you can see, this is an incredible opportunity that has only recently become available. This site is very reliable and legit and is trusted by over 170,000 people from several different industries across the entire world. So we just covered transcription, where you can get paid $1.25 per minute. And then the second option you can choose is the captions option, which will also pay you $1.25 per minute. And then the third option pays the most, which is foreign subtitles, where you can get paid $3 to $7 per minute. So if you're from a foreign country, you have a slight edge and will be able to make more money. As an example, let's say you are from Korea and no Korean subtitle is available. You can assist them by translating the channel from either Korean to English or English to Korean. As an example, let's say you are from Korea and no Korean subtitle is available. You can assist them by translating the channel from either Korean to English or English to Korean. This option is a great way where you can start earning a lot of cash. So let's calculate how much you can make per hour doing the foreign subtitles option. So if it pays $3 to $7 per hour, that's $5 an hour on average. So if it pays $3 to $7 per minute, that's $5 per minute on average. So if I go over to the calculator and want to figure out how much you can get paid per hour, we would simply multiply 5 times 60, which equals $300 per hour. All you're doing here is translating videos to foreign subtitles. But if you don't speak a foreign language and are just starting out, I would highly encourage you to begin with the transcription option. Making $1.25 per minute is a lot of money regardless. So if you go down to the bottom of this website, you'll see a button that says Become a Freelancer. If you click on this button, it'll direct you to this page right here, or you can choose from hundreds of different Rev freelance jobs. They allow you to create an extremely flexible work schedule, allowing you to work however much you'd like and wherever you want. You can decide from hundreds of different jobs that will pay you consistently every single week. What's so great about this is that you will get your money on schedule and in a reliable way. But before we go any further, if you haven't already, please click on the subscribe button and smash that like button if you enjoyed this video so far and have learned something. Also, remember to click on the notification bell so you are notified every time I upload a brand new video on a fresh way to make new money online. Okay, let's get back to the video. So for the second website that I will be showing you today, it is called TranscribeMe.com. This is also a website that you can sign up for completely for free. When you head over to the homepage, you will see several different career opportunities. You'll notice that you can type to make some money online, either by transcribing or translating. I want to highlight the transcription option since this will make you the most money. You will want to click on Jobs in the top right-hand corner, and then you will be directed to this page where it shows you that TranscribeMe has the industry's best rates with earnings starting at $15 to $22 per audio hour and top monthly earnings at $2,200 with average monthly earnings at $250. So let's go back to this calculator and see how much you could make doing this in, let's say, 5 hours. So if you get paid $22 per hour times 5 hours, that will equal $110 paid to you in 5 hours. So as you can see, this website pays less than Rev.com. So I would strongly encourage you to focus on Rev.com so you can make as much money as possible. It is clearly the better option. With that being said, it's always good to have several streams of income so you could join both Rev.com and TranscribeMe.com. So now to join TranscribeMe.com, the first thing you're going to have to do is click on this button right here that says Get Started. You will then be directed to a new page where you can fill out your information and create your account. What's so amazing about this website is that you have a lot of flexibility on where you would like to work and however long you'd like to work. You can also do this using either your phone or your laptop. Also, if you like to work in short amounts of time, they only have you transcribe short 2 to 4 minute clips at a time. So, to sign up for an account, what is required is your first name, last name, email, and password. And be sure to actually put your legit, real email so you can verify your account when they send you a verification link to your email. After you've done that, you will want to enter your account email for your PayPal account so they can actually pay you. Be sure to frequently check your email as they will send you detailed information on the speed of your typing. because every now and then they are going to want to know how fast you type. This is why I wanted you to learn how to type as fast as you can on typingtest.com by using their free typing courses. So to be able to track the speed of your typing by measuring words per minute, you are able to take a typing test on typingtest.com. Once you finish taking your test, they will show you your results immediately. After you've completed your test, all you have to do is take a screenshot of your test and send it to them via email. So, by taking these free courses to improve your typing, you will get much faster and be able to make more money and have even more job opportunities just by simply typing. So if you'd like to learn how to make even more money, click on this video right here.